Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is our prompt engineering series and today we are diving into a super exciting topic that is few shot, zero shot and one shot prompting techniques. If you're curious about how to get the most out of AI models like ChatGPT, you are in the right place. We are going to break down these concepts in a way that's easy to understand and packed with practical examples. So let's jump in. Did you know that AI can understand and generate human like text even when it has only a tiny bit of information? That's the magic of few shot, zero shot, and one shot prompting. Imagine trying to teach a robot to recognize different types of fruits with just one picture or even none at all. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's possible with these prompting techniques. First of all, we'll explore few shot prompting. This technique is like giving your AI a few examples to learn from before asking it to generate a response. Think of it as a mini training session. For example, you want ChatGPT to generate fun names for your new coffee shop. You could start with a few examples like Java Drive, Bean Bliss, Espresso Express. Now ask ChatGPT to come up with more names using these examples. By seeing these initial names, the AI gets a sense of your style and preferences. In few shot prompting, you give just a handful of examples to guide the AI's responses. It's super handy when you need consistent output based on a specific pattern or style. Okay, moving towards zero shot prompting. This one's pretty cool because you don't give the AI any examples at all. Instead, you ask it a question or give a command with a clear instruction. It's like asking someone to come up with ideas without any hints. Imagine you want ChatGPT to create a marketing tagline for your bakery. You simply ask, generate a catchy tagline for a bakery. The AI uses its vast training to come up with something creative without needing any examples. It's like having a conversation with a friend who's really good at brainstorming on the spot. Next is one shot prompting. This is where you give the AI just one example to guide its response. Think of it as showing a single sample and asking the AI to follow that pattern. Say you want ChatGPT to write a poem in a specific style. You provide one example of the style you like, such as roses are red, violets are blue, sugar is sweet, and so are you. Then you ask ChatGPT to write a new poem in the same style. It uses a single example to generate a poem that matches the tone and structure you provided. So, there you have it, folks. Play around with these methods and see how they can enhance your projects. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and keep creating amazing things with AI.